This is the OtterBox Defender Series Pro XT with MagSafe for your 16 Plus. I'm going to go ahead and open this up and show you guys exactly how to put it on as well as how to remove it. Now the XT is going to have the clear design, so if you want the clear, the XT is definitely going to be the one for you. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what it's all about. All right, opening it up, we are greeted to welcome to your OtterBox case. All right, and taking a closer look at this XT, it is really nice. You can see it's very clear as well. Now, one thing to note, if you get your XT here, you might notice that it might not be completely straight. And this is something that's present on all the XT cases that I have seen so far. It's just a part of the design here to make it easier to put inside. So the first thing we want to do here is we want to remove the inner shell here. So the first thing we want to do here is pick this bottom right corner, separate it a little bit, and you can kind of grab the inner shell and you can start pulling it out and it comes out very easily. All right, now we're going to grab our 16 Plus and we're going to place it kind of right on top. We don't have to squeeze it in yet. And we're going to grab the inner shell here and we're going to start lining it up from the bottom. And what we're going to do here is we're just going to push this inner shell inside the rubber piece and kind of like apply pressure. And same thing, I'm gonna go all around here, kind of just pushing that inner shell inside the rubber. Might have to lift it up a little bit and just go all around. All right, and after that we have the XT series on. It's a little bit tricky sometimes, however once you do it for the first time it should be easier going forward. So let's take a closer look at this XT. Starting with the bottom here, we have really nice coverage for the bottom, nice precise opening for our speaker, microphone, grill. We do have a lanyard attachment here if you want to add a lanyard, and we have a nice port cover for our Type-C port, as you can see right there. And on the right side here we have a cover for our side button. And the biggest controversy is going to be this opening for the camera control. Now you're going to see here that it is very, very wide. And I would have preferred if OtterBox kind of made it more seamless or included a port cover on this. Because when you look at it front end here, you're going to have this really awkward looking gap in between. So I really wish that OtterBox would have at least maybe extended the rubber piece. I mean, somehow. It might be a deal breaker for some. However, looking past that, it is still a nice rugged case. Top is going to be very nice and clean. And on the left side, everything's going to be nice and clean as well. We have nice covers for our volume rocker and our action button. And we have a very subtle OtterBox logo on this side. Very subtle. And taking a closer look at the back here, of course, is going to feature a nice clear design. So it will show off the beautiful colors of your 16. Whatever color that is going to look phenomenal. I have the black and I think it looks really nice. Now the magnetic ring here is going to be black as well, which I think is a nice touch. And the opening for the camera lens is going to be a nice wide opening with the bezels being a lot higher than camera. So if it's ever dropped on a flat surface, you don't have to worry about your camera getting damaged or nicked, which is really nice. Now, since it does feature MagSafe capabilities, quickly test it out real quick. We can see we have MagSafe charging, so it will be compatible for all kinds of magnetic accessories or MagSafe accessories, whether it be wallets or anything like that. The magnets are very, very strong, which I like to see, so that's a great feature to have. Now, one thing to note here with the clear, you are going to have some fingerprints here, so if that's something that bothers you, then again, this is just something for the clear case. You could always use your microfiber cloth to quickly clean it off, which looks phenomenal, but like I said, any fingerprint will show. Now taking a look at the front screen bezels, they're raised very higher than the actual screen, so you don't have to worry about your screen getting nicked or damaged. Now I also have a Bodyguard's Apex screen protector, which is an edge-to-edge screen protector, and it is fully compatible, so you should have no issues with many screen protectors, so I definitely like that a lot. Now, if you want to remove this case, all you have to do is the same thing. Start with the bottom right corner, just separate the rubber and kind of pick this inner shell up and it should come off very easily. And then we can push the camera and the phone should come out. And now your 16 Plus is out of that OtterBox gel in case you ever want to replace your case or swap it out with a different one. So all in all, guys, the OtterBox Defender Series Pro XT is a great rugged case. However, keep in mind that camera control is something that might turn you off. Now, I definitely recommend this probably 80% of the way, with the remaining 20% for that camera control. Again, this is something that I personally am not a fan of, but other than that, I still think it's a solid protective case. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Firewolf out.